Ang sunod naman is ang number 6 natin. Ang upper limit naman niya is 5 din, and ang k niya is equals to 1. Ang problem is k times 2 raised to the power of k. Bago natin makuha ang final answer na, ita-times muna natin siya, and papalitan natin yung bawat k ng 1. Mag-start tayo sa 1 hanggang sa mag-5 ulit. So, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 cubed plus 4 times 4 raised to the power of 4 plus 5 times 2 raised to the power of 5. Iyaano muna natin siya. I-squared, ganun yung raised to the power. 1 times, ang ano niya naman is 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 8 plus 4 times 16 plus 5 times 32. Tapos, i-add ulit natin yung mga sagot niya para makuha yung final answer. 2 plus 8 plus 24 plus 64 plus 160. Ang final answer niya is 258.